Tatty, help me, someone help me, I'm dying.
Huh? What's going on, Misifu?
I have a very rare disease. Very bizarre. You see?
Oh. Calm down, Misifu. You don't have a disease. You're certainly not going to die. You just have the hiccups.
And what are hiccups?
Time for an anatomy lesson, Misifu.
Huh? Oh! You just love to be a teacher.
Look, Misifu, this is what we look like on the inside. Do you see these organs over here? These are the lungs. Thanks to them, we are able to breathe. And this muscle here is called the diaphragm. Its function is to help the lungs with breathing by going up and down. But if we eat too fast, or if we drink carbonated beverages, for example, among other things, sometimes this irritates the diaphragm and it goes down too quickly, so that a lot of air enters at once and the hiccups start.
And so then, this is not dangerous?
Not at all, Misifu. As long as it doesn't go longer than 2 days, you don't need to see a doctor.
2 whole days? Aw, I don't want it to go for this long.
When did your hiccups start, Misifu?
About 5 minutes ago.
So you really don't need to worry about it for now. Let's look for a solution for you. Here you go.
Come on, Daddy. It's not that I'm thirsty. I have the hiccups.
Yes, I know that. But one of the solutions that sometimes works to get rid of the hiccups is to try and drink water from the opposite side of your glass.
Daddy, the hiccups are still there. You see? But now, I'm all cooled off.
Not a problem, Misifu. Let's move on to the next solution. Try holding your breath for 10 seconds.
I don't think that's going to be possible. I'd run out of air. Give me another solution.
I know. Have a bite of this.
Huh? Hey, it looks like it worked. Well, I guess it didn't.
Okay, Misifu, I didn't want to get to this point, but it's our last solution. Misifu, how do you feel now?
I'm really scared.
Yes, but your hiccups?
Oh? Hold on. Tatty, you cured me. I don't have the hiccups anymore. But what a scare you gave me.
Sometimes a good scare is just the solution to cure the hiccups. Don't forget to share.